Yeah, hello, welcome to this channel. Okay, this is Lokiato, and today I want to make this Instathumbs review. Okay, today I want to review this video for those of you out there searching to know what this tool is all about, what this software is all about, the Instathumbs thumbnail creator is all about. Today I want to review it and show you what it is and tell you what it is and tell you how it could be helpful to you, how it could help boost your business. Okay, so Instathumbs is an advanced thumbnail creator. Okay, an amazing advanced thumbnail creator. What are thumbnails? Thumbnails are those beautiful images that we put in our videos to attract clicks, okay, to attract subscribers, to attract views on our YouTube videos, be it on our YouTube videos, on our Instagram pages, on our Facebook pages, on our ads. Okay, this thumbnail is what makes the video attractive. Okay, it's what that attracts those audience to your video, to your business, whatever you're promoting. Okay, we all know that YouTube is a very big platform. Okay, it's a monster platform in terms of traffic, in terms of driving quality traffic to your videos, to your website, to your blog, to your business website, whatever it is. YouTube is a monster site for traffic. But if your video do not have quality thumbnails, okay, quality thumbnails, like, these are beautiful thumbnails. Can you see them? If your videos are not attractive, if your videos look crappy, or it looks very amateur, nobody is going to click on it. They are going to just pass by. Okay, nobody cares how quality the content in your videos are. If the first impression, which is your thumbnail, doesn't attract them, okay, they are just gonna pass away and you're gonna lose subscribers. Okay, so this software, Instathumbs software, helps you design beautiful softwares that attracts clicks, attracts views. Okay, it boosts your video ranking on Google by 300 to 400%. Okay, this is a must-have tool. Like, seriously, this is a must-have tool. Okay, so as you can see, this is a handy tool that you can use to create beautiful attractive professional thumbnails, be it in any niche you are. Okay, be it no matter what niche you are, this tool will work for you to create beautiful thumbnail for yourself. Okay, so who is the creator behind this tool? The creator behind this tool is Sam Kumar. Okay, here is he. Sam Kumar is an advanced internet marketer. Okay, he's a guru in video marketing. Okay, so he's the one that came up with this software, and he saw that people are really having difficult time creating this software. Okay, he know that beginners, those that are not advanced in the tech world or in the design world, are having a tough time, okay, creating this thumbnail by themselves. Okay, so most people, what they do is they go on Fiverr to go and outsource it. And going on Fiverr is it's very expensive. And not only, it may not be that expensive, okay, but not only that, you need to express your idea to the designer, what you really want. Okay, all that all that consumes time, and also you spend money. Okay, like this thumbnail over here now, it's $10. This one is $5. This one is $25. This one is $260, as high as $260. Okay, but with a single purchase of this software, okay, with a single purchase of this software, you can get it for as little as, okay, you can get it for as little as 37. Okay, this is a special discount price. Okay, this is a special discount price. Okay, if you're buying it right now, you're buying this one for $1. Okay, this is a launch price. And if you're buying this one it has more advanced feature. This one has a commercial license. You have 100 design templates, you have thousands of image with built-in search. Okay, you can search for whatever image you want. Okay, while this one is just for personal use. Okay, personal use. 100, also 100 design template, thousands of image, emoji, and but the resolution is not high. Okay, the quality that it brings out is not as high as this other, or as of the professional version of this software. Okay, so it's better you go for the professional version and get all that you need, including dedicated support in case of any bug, high resolution, okay, name it. So that is if you want to buy it. Okay, so this software is really great, and I'm going to log in into my account and show you how this software actually works. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works, how to operate, how to use it and create beautiful thumbnails in few clicks. Okay, in a few clicks. Okay, so come on with me, let me log in into my account so that we are going to see how it works. All right, so as you can see, I'm in my account right now. Okay, these are just the tips. Okay, so yeah, this just is a rough sketch over here. I was trying to do a rough sketch over here. I was trying to create a thumbnail for one of my video like that. Okay, so as you can see, this is a review from a real user. This is my account. This is my account here. This is a review from a real user. Okay, it's actually a handy and a simple software. Okay, yeah, I'm using a personal plan. That is the one of $1 I just showed you there. Is a personal plan, but will soon upgrade to the professional plan because I'm really not getting what I need in the personal plan over here. Okay, so I'm gonna upgrade very soon to the professional version of this software. So as you can see over here, these are templates. They ask you to start here. If you're not that okay, if you're not that skilled in graphic designing, it's better you just choose a template and just customize it, and it saves you time, saves you energy and everything. Okay, so as you can see, these are professional templates in any niche that you can think about, any niche at all. If you're in the dog niche, okay, if you're in the UK, talking about child, about kids, whatever it is, okay, this is another niche. This is the food and the health niche, and whatever it is, the cooking recipe. And you see, these are all beautiful thumbnails. So let's say you want to go with this thumbnail, you just click on it, you select it, it imports it down into this white canvas immediately. So all you just need to do is to work on the text. All right, all you just need is to change the text. All right, change the text to whatever you want. French fry. You can also add another text here if you want. Okay, can you see these are all templates of text that you can just double click on it and it's gonna add. Okay, double click on it. Okay, can you see it here? You can just drag this one and come over here, you edit it and add whatever you want to add. You can just call it tasty fries, or whatever you want to call it. Tasty fries. Okay, you can enlarge it. Okay, you can change the color, you can change the font, okay, the shadow, everything that I want to do is here. Don't worry, when you get this software, there are tutorials that are going to walk you through how to do everything step by step. This is just a review of how the whole thing works. You can change the color if you want to this. Okay, you can change the color. So this is a very beautiful handy software. Just edit it and download it. Once you download it, it downloads and you use it and add it to your YouTube videos, which is going to help you to boost your views to 300 to 400%. Okay, it's going to help you boost your views. Here is images, here is sticker images. If you want to import images, okay, you can import images from their stock images over here. They have thousands and thousands of stock images that you can use. Can you see them? These are thousands of stock images. Okay, then also you can get images from YouTube. Yeah, if there's any YouTube video that you love the image, you just paste the URL here and it imports the image for you. You can also upload your own image. Okay, so you can upload your own image. These are stickers. If you want to add sticker to it, like emoji stickers, you can add great beautiful stickers to them. Okay, expressing whatever the your video is all about, or your subject is all about. Okay, so this is also the background. You can change the background and customize it the way you want. So as you can see, so far is a very simple but very powerful handy tool. So if you are into the video marketing business, we all know that video marketing right now is big, is huge. If you're not utilizing video for your business, you better start doing it right now, because you are losing out. Video is where marketing is really going to. People are now, getting bored reading. There's so much billion of text out there. Okay, no, it's not as if people don't read. People read, but people prefer video. Video is more personal. Okay, video is more personal and it's more easier because people can easily consume this content and while visualizing it. Okay, so video is very, very powerful. Video is powerful. So utilizing video and using great thumbnail to boost and to attract views is a no-brainer. Okay, so this is the review for the Instathumb software. If you still need more information about this, you can check the link in the description below for my written blog post, for my written review. You can go there and read it more. Okay, and also if you want to get this too, check the link in the description below. I have a mouth-watering bonus for you if you get this tool with my link below. Okay, if you get this tool with my link below, you will get my mouth-watering bonuses. Okay, bonuses that will help you in your business, in whatever you're doing, help you in your video production and whatever you want to do. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on here, name your project, let's call it test drive. Okay, test drive or review, wherever it is, and boom, you download it. Now you can upload it straight to your video, to your YouTube video, or you download it as PGN. For me, I would love to download it as PGN. Go on YouTube and upload the thumbnail. Okay, you download it and it downloads instantly. Okay, can you see this didn't take us more than few minutes? We are done. Okay, didn't take us more than few minutes and we are done. But going to YouTube and going to Fiverr, looking for someone to design for you, okay, explaining to the person and also the money that will cost, you keep doing this over and over, because if you're like me that I create multiple videos, you know how much you'll be spending every month on thumbnail alone. But with a one-time fee, you get this tool and you do this thing yourself, saving yourself time, saving yourself money, and saving yourself the stress. Okay, so thank you. My network was bad, that's why it failed from downloading. But once you click on download, it downloads instantly. Okay, it downloads instantly. Code. Okay, sorry, I thought my recording was not recording. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you and bye.